Hello, 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 and welcome to the first in a series of 4 videos that you're going to see over the next week in the run-up to Christmas. The first of my Christmas event series, possibly just Christmas really, is the Christmas tree. That's using the acrylic pour swipe technique. So I'm starting out pouring the base, which is a bronze and gold base. I'm using my snazzy new airbrush, no paint in it, just so it moves the air around, which I do love. I love that I call it my snazzy new airbrush, but it's been used in a couple of videos at this point. So anyway, I'm pouring out the base. I'm not going to be going over the sides particularly with this piece, well, at all is the plan. So I'm just making sure I've got a decent coverage of the white for the base, blowing out with the hairdryer, just because that's how I blow out the base, but I also ran out of a little bit of paint there, and it wasn't quite the right thickness that I wanted, so just remixing in some more just to do the edges and the rest of the canvas, as you're going to see. So the aim of this video is to create a Christmas tree using fluid art. You can't do that though, they say, or they said before I did this video, and the week since this video was done, because I did this in the run-up to Christmas, about a week and a half, 2 weeks ago at this point. Yeah, seen so many videos of other Christmas trees being done, not using the same technique, thankfully, so it doesn't look like I'm actually copying anyone. But literally the morning after I did this painting, I saw a video by one of the channels that I follow, Rainbow Acrylics by Claire, who do amazing videos, amazing pieces. They're so talented. They did a Christmas tree video, but they used kind of their mini bloom technique. Go and watch it. It is amazing. But yeah, so what I'm starting out with is the paint. Just doing in a column, and then I'm going to swipe out using a variety of tools as the piece goes on. So I've got different shades of green there, and then to do the tinsel and the baubles later, I will do them slightly differently. And you will see when we get to those parts. So at this point, I'm just pouring the green out, questioning some choices at that point because the green's a bit thicker than I thought it should be, but it works out quite nicely in the end. So I'm just coming around now with some white on either side because I want to make sure that there's a decent amount of paint for the swipe to go into. So as I swipe, I'm going to leave you to some lovely royalty-free music. there you can see that I have used the soap and water spray just to create some more champagne cells, a bit more interest. I think it was just looking a bit too the same green that I wasn't too keen on. Whereas now that's forced some other colours out, and I'm just going to go in and have some fun trying to create the star at the top of the tree, and then also do some tinsel and baubles. So I'll leave you once again to some rather... yeah, that didn't work. Yeah, I'm going to leave you to some fantastic royalty-free music once again. just continuing now with the finishing touches to the piece. Just putting in those last final baubles and adding a few ones in actually on the tree as well, which they do show up really quite nicely. So yeah, this is a success. In a couple of minutes we will have a wonderful smash cut to me doing a video of the dried result. I accidentally didn't actually record where I thought I was the wet result, rather embarrassingly, but there we go. Yeah, so honestly, this is amazing. I love it so. And here is the dried result. I succeeded. I got something that looks like a Christmas tree. Okay, possibly the base looks like a pineapple, but other than that, I think it's pretty damn snazzy. I'm going to take you in for a close-up. So here's the base. Yeah, I can see why my other half thinks it's a Christmas tree. And the baubles on the bottom there. You can hear in the background a squeaking dog, who doesn't like that he's been shut out the room just while I do this bit, because he's a noisy floof today. And you can hear from the sniffling the reason why this video was mainly music and not me speaking so much, because, I seem to have got the lurgy. But yeah, isn't that gorgeous? I might be doing another couple of Christmas ones, which might actually end up being Christmas cards for next year, if I can get them printed. But yeah, let me know what you think. Thanks for watching, follow me on the socials, and see you next time. Bye-bye! And here is a sneak peek of what happens when Paul has insomnia and tries to do a snowman piece late at night and just follows the paint to this jaunty little reformed ex-murdering snowman. That will be a Christmas card next year as well. God help you all. Oh. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Follow me on the social medias at Sissy Artist, and I will see you in a couple of days. Bye-bye.